Hello kids! Let's learn about 3D shapes. 3D shapes. 3D shapes have three dimensions: length, width and height. Cube. Cube has 6 faces, 6 vertices and 6 equal edges. Sphere. Sphere has no faces, no vertices and no edges. Cone. Cone has one face, one vertex and one edge. Cylinder. Cylinder has three faces, no vertices and two edges. Hemisphere. Hemisphere has two faces, no vertices and one edges. Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 6 vertices and 9 edges. Pentagonal prism. It has 7 faces, 10 vertices and 15 edges. Hexagonal prism. It has 8 faces, 12 vertices and 18 edges. Thank you kids. Subscribe Pasquale TV for more such video. Tata bye.